market is constantly changing, and that advice you just learned about yesterday is somehow already out of date. Your first favorite YouTube trader is talking about fair value gaps and breaker blocks. And your other favorite YouTube trader is definitely legit because they have a Lambo and they're telling you to buy gold for the next 3 years. A choppy market means, hey, maybe you can scalp, but scalping is also the hardest way to trade. You want to start prop trading, but how are you supposed to do that with so much conflicting information out there? That's why in this video, we need to talk about what it takes to be a real trader. First, if you're new here, my name is Forrest. I'm a day trader and I'm focused on helping people learn how to day trade as well as understand general finance. If you're interested in day trading and finance, you're in the right place. If you're looking for a day trading community to learn how to trade, my team is live every day in our Discord. The link to our community, Trade Edge, is down below in the description. Lastly, I'm always focused on bringing you the best deals prop firms have to offer. If you want to get an account at a prop firm with discounts automatically applied, use my links down below. So the very first thing that we have to talk about is market awareness. In regards to being a real trader, I'm going to give you my definition of market awareness because you may have some other idea already in your head. I define market awareness as having an up-to-the-minute insight into the factors of the market directly correlated to what you're trading right now. Let's jump into the charts for 2 examples. Hey guys, I did this video with a teleprompter. Hopefully it wasn't too weird. Just working on making things a little bit better. Yeah, leave your feedback below. So I trade ES futures. Even though ES trades overnight, SPX doesn't, but they track the same underlying, guys. So just taking a quick look here at SPX, we can see that gaps are forming in the market. SPX during regular sessions, right? If we look at the price action right here, this session, we came down and we filled this gap. Okay, this is Thursday, March 21st. We go over to Thursday, March 21st on ES. Look at the price action. There was this huge buy up. That was the FOMC green actually. And then Thursday, March 21st, you can see that we came down from this morning open. So this is a directly correlated factor and a great example of the types of things that you want to be aware of when you're trading ES futures. What are the things directly correlated to what I'm trading? Am I aware of those factors? Am I aware of the fact that there's a huge gap here, an imbalance that wants to get filled on this other index, which is essentially the index that I'm trading? Now, let's look at something opposite. What's something that I shouldn't care about in terms of market awareness? I'm trading ES, so we'll keep ES up. Let's look at a micro Bitcoin futures. So this is just Bitcoin, essentially on the right side, the price is Bitcoin. I'm just looking at MBT so we can see the actual volume of the Bitcoin futures, not so much Bitcoin itself. Really key here, Bitcoin from a macroeconomic sense, very important to track. We're at all-time highs again at Bitcoin, which is important. The crypto market is in a rage, but in terms of understanding intraday price action, if I'm looking to take a trade at 10:30 a.m. at ES after looking at the opening range from 9:30 to 10:30, and I want to see if there's going to be a move there, does it really matter what Bitcoin's doing? No, it does not. It does not matter what Bitcoin's doing. So that's what I mean market awareness. It's not just knowing and looking at the things that affect you, but disregarding everything else. Because there's going to be a ton of noise. There's going to be a ton of people saying, hey, have you seen the price of oil today? Hey, have you seen the price of this today? Hey, have you seen the price of that today? I get it way more than you guys get it. I'm telling you, because I run a community. Soul is the other person who runs the community. Together, we get so much noise of people saying, hey, look at this, 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 look at this. It's noise. You don't need that information. So that's an example of that. So here's some more examples of things that you should be aware of. The typical daily range versus today's daily range, the day of the week, seasonality. These are just a few factors to consider. And you got to ask yourself this question every single day when you're trading. Am I so zoomed in on this one chart that I'm missing a key piece of information that would make trading today far easier than it is? Keep that in mind. The next thing to keep in mind if you want to be a real day trader is planning versus execution. There are a billion ways to trade, and you're sitting at your desk, you're on your phone trying to figure out what you should focus on today. Fair value gaps, mean reversion, breaker blocks. Again, I'm going to tell you something that most trade influencers won't tell you. It does not matter. It does matter, but trading is one of the few disciplines where analysts and players exist in different universes. It doesn't matter what you can see looking back. The only thing that matters in trading is, will your plan work right now in the next 15 minutes, 1 hour candle, 4 hour candle, daily candle time frame. If you find yourself sitting at your desk, completely unsure of what to do nothing. Go back to planning. And I say planning, not analysis. Analysis, again, is that look back. We can see the bull flag yesterday. We see all the stuff yesterday. Plan dictates your action. A good plan should dictate what trade you're looking for today, the time frames you're looking for them in, the conditions in which you explicitly decide to trade and not trade, and what your acceptable losses are for the day based off of your expectations for today. Rewind the video, go rewatch that part, please. I say it all the time. You got to get out of analyst mode and make a plan. Trading is not about analysis. It's all about execution, which is a great transition into my last point of doing nothing. The mark of a very good trader is your ability to do nothing. When market conditions change, traders with only a few years of experience will struggle to accept the fact that the conditions have changed and modify their system. If you find yourself overly fixated on figuring it out, when the market continues to act differently than you expected, just wait. It doesn't mean it's a bad market. It doesn't mean it's not a good time to trade. It just means you are not accepted the change in conditions. You will make more money faster when you learn to simply sit and watch. All that being said, if you're serious about downloading good day trading information into your brain, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and come say hi to me and the hundreds of other traders in our Discord. Forrest out.